Sometimes on Instagram, you may be chatting with AI chat, and that chat might have been created by you or by others. Anyway, if you want to mute that chat for a specific amount of time, you can do that. After that time, it will be unmuted automatically. In this video, we'll tell you how to mute any Instagram AI chat for a specific amount of time. For this, open the Instagram app. After that, here you can see your message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, here you can see your chat. And in this chat, you can see all your messages. In there, you can see AI chat also. But sometimes you may have created that AI chat. In that case, click on this button. And here you can see your chats, and here you can see every AI chat that you have created. Or if you're in messages, here you can see every chat. Sometimes you may have chatted with them. Anyway, select the AI chat which you want to mute. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. After that, here you can see the I button. Click on this I button. And when you click on that, here you can see options. And if you have created that AI chat, directly here you can see the mute option. Anyway, here I'm clicking on options and then on mute. When you click on that, here you can see mute messages. Turn this on. When you turn it on, here you can see some options, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, or for 24 hours. That means after this time, it will be automatically unmuted. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting for 1 hour. And after this time, it will be unmuted. So this way you can easily mute any Instagram AI chat for a specific amount of time. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.